Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Syringeon Clock from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then let's add another circle inside on the right. And color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start below on the left and let's draw a large curve up and back down on the other side. Now from the bottom of both ends, let's curve it back in. And then 2 curves going down. Now underneath, let's curve it out slightly. And then draw a large circular curve. Now top and side, and let's draw another large circle. And then a smaller circle inside the center. Lastly, let's draw the hands of the clock. On top, let's draw 2 vertical lines up. And then close off the end. Now let's move down and let's draw 2 angles up on the left a little bit shorter. And again, close off the end. And that's it for the Syringeon clock. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!